Welcome back, and let's hop right into it. Today, we're going to start with some place values. What is the underlying place value of this problem right here? So, don't let the comma fool you. The comma doesn't really mean anything. Comma without is still going to be the same as a comma within. It just helps organize things more. So, that's right off the bat. And commas usually distribute a number, or it makes it neater, I guess. It organizes it. For example, let's do 543,210,032. So the comma is added every three times, or every three digits. And since this is by base tens, it's gonna go by every tens basically. So this is called tens place. That is called a hun. Actually, let me do this in color because kids like color. Everyone loves color. So this is the tens place. The blue here is the hundreds place. And notice how I have an S at the end. If we're going decimals, we will put THS. And here is, wait, I am very stupid. This is incorrect. This is called the ones. And then this is called tens. I am really dumb right now for some reason. I'm just not feeling it today. But this is the ones, tens, and the hundreds. And then let's use orange. Once the comma splits, this is going to be called the thousands. And then from now on, it's going to be called the 10,000s. That one over there. And the one after that is going to be called the 100,000s. And then it's going to go to millions. And then so on. 10 millions, 100 millions, and then billions, and then 10 billions, 100 billions. Okay. But that's not important right now. The probably highest number you're going to go to is probably going to be the thousands area. So for this example, 6, the first 6 right here is underlined. And we're looking for that placement. And through this is going to be the thousands. This is the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. And yeah, okay. Moving on, we're going to go through even and odds. So we're going to look at number 18. Don't look at how big the number is because there's this little hack. So there's evens and odds. And if you want to know if a number is even or odd, you could look at the end and notice that any number that ends with 2, and actually any number that ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8 are even numbers. Any numbers that end with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are odd numbers. Another way you could do this is that you could divide any number by 2. If the remainder is 0, then it's going to be even. If the remainder is 1, or there is a remainder, it's going to be odd. So let's try for this example. Let's try dividing it. So 2,632 divided by 2. Since there is only one digit here, we focus one digit at a time. So let's start at this number. So how many times can 2 go into 2? That's 1. And if you subtract 2 minus 2, 0. Drop down the second number, which is 6. 2 go into 6 3 times, which is also 0. And then 3 drops down. 2 go into 3 only 1, because 2 times 2 is 4. And that's greater than 3. So always go to the number that is the closest but doesn't go over. So 2 go into 3 only once. So that's the 21. Drop down. 2 go into 12 6 times. And that's the remainder. And therefore, the answer is even. Another simple way is just look at the end. Since it ends with 2, and 2 is an even number, it's going to be even. Okay, let's look at multiplication. This is basically saying what is 4 added 2 times. And 4 plus 4 is 8. Another way you can do this, is that there's 2 groups and put 4 each and add up all the dots and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The answer is 8. Okay, let's look at a word problem. Kelly has 397 bales of hay in one barn. There's still 186 bales of hay in the field. How many more bales of hay are in the barn than in the field? So, what we're trying to compare right now is that how many more bales of hay are there in the barn than in the field? So this is probably going to be a subtraction. So we get 397 minus 186, and that's going to be 7 minus 6 is 1, 9 minus 8 is 1, 3 minus 1 is 2. Therefore, Kelly has, there are 211 bales of hay more in the barn than out in the field. If you're still confused, try to think about it like this. So let's say, okay, let's just draw this out. I was originally had a plan. So let's say this yellow triangles are hays, and one of them is in the barn. And they're going to ask how many more bales, actually let's put 3. So they're saying how many more bales of hay are in the barn than in the field. So there's 3 and there's 2 here. So they're comparing how many are out here and how many bales of hay are inside the barn. Therefore, you get 3 minus 2, which is 1, because to equal this out, you need another bale of hay. So therefore, the barn has 1 bale of hay more than the field. And that's it. I hope it's simple, and good luck, guys. Have fun. Bye.